Do you like Michael? I wanna kiss you like Prince. Let's get it on like Marvin Gaye, like Hathaway. Write a song for you like this. You're over my head, I'm out of my mind. Thinking I was born in the wrong time. One of a kind, living in a world gone plastic. Baby, you're so classic. Baby, you're so classic.
In a perfect world, you're understanding. I'm not a perfect girl. I would drop my fears at the door. I will only bring myself and nothing more. And you let me be a woman. And you let me be a fly woman. You would yearn to hear all about my past. What I've done, what I've did, and why. Below my cigarettes. And if I needed to, I could cry. And you would catch my tears. You don't wanna be nobody else's pain. No, hey, you don't wanna be nobody.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's Amazon Live event. My name is Angel and I'm so excited to be here with you today to talk about two amazing products from Red by Kiss, their hair bonding glue and hair protective liquid cap. If you're someone who loves protective styles like me, like wigs, lace fronts, or extensions, these products are absolute game changers, trust me. Before we jump into the details, I want to talk a little bit about Red by Kiss. This brand has been at the forefront of beauty and hair care for years, providing products that professionals and everyday users alike can trust. They're known for combining innovation with high quality ingredients, and today's featured products are no exception. So let's dive into the Red by Kiss Hair Protective Liquid Cap. Now look, this is the ideal partner to the bonding glue. It helps protect your scalp and natural hair underneath while making removal easy and clean. This product is designed specifically for protecting your natural hair from glue damage. If you've ever experienced hair loss or irritation when removing a wig or lace front, you know how important it is to have a protective barrier in place. I know for me personally, whenever I use glue and I have to take it out, it is such a hassle for me because you have to make sure that you're using the right products. But with this, you only need this. You don't have to worry about anything else. So this hair protective liquid cap forms that barrier, making sure the glue never directly touches your natural hair. And it's super easy to apply. You just put a thin layer on your hairline or scalp before applying the glue. It dries quickly, and when you're ready to remove your wig or extensions, the protective layer ensures no glue residue is left behind. There's no shedding, no stickiness, and definitely no damage to your natural hair. It's amazing. And let me tell you, compared to competitors, this is the cleanest removal that I've ever seen. You know how some products can leave clumps of glue in your hair, like how I just talked about? With the Red by Kiss Hair Protective Liquid Cap, you avoid all of that mess. I'll show you the results later. And the versatility here is amazing. Okay, Red by Kiss offers two different formulas. So we have the clear one that I just showed you, and we also have one in black. So the clear formula is great for light colored wigs like blonde or gray or extensions, while the black formula, it works perfectly with darker hair, giving you a more seamless look. And these hair protective liquid caps also come in 2-ounce and 8-ounce sizes. So whether you're just starting out and you're still testing it out, or you're using it regularly and you're a stylist, you've got options. Now, let's show you exactly how this works in real time. I'm going to apply the clear protective liquid. you'll see how it creates a smooth base for the glue and makes everything easier to remove later. So here, I'm gonna just apply a thin layer to our wig cap here. I'm just gonna apply it across. I'm gonna use our tool, and I'm gonna spread it all around. It is very simple, very easy to use, and like I said, this is creating a barrier for your natural hair and your scalp. And all you do is spread it all over your hair. I'm gonna use this section here just to show you guys exactly how it works. See, super simple and easy. Only takes about a couple seconds just to apply that. Now, while we let that dry, we're gonna move on to our Red by Kiss hair bonding glue, which is perfect for getting a strong, long-lasting hold for your lace fronts. This is hands down one of the best bonding glues on the market, and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. If you're serious about keeping your hair secure without damage, you definitely wanna stick around for today's show. And don't forget, if you have any questions during the live stream, feel free to drop them in the chat. I am here to help. First and foremost, this glue is known for its stronghold. Once it's on, it is not going anywhere, okay? This is your best friend. Whether you're heading to a party, working out, or just living your life, you can trust that your lace front or wig will stay secure when you use this. And get this, it dries in only 30 seconds. How many of us have tried other glues that take forever to dry? You know, you're standing there waiting, blowing, fanning. No, with Red by Kiss hair bonding glue, you're ready to go almost instantly. Just 30 seconds and you're good to go. Trust me. Let's apply it so you can see how quickly it dries. So we're gonna take our glue, and I have a blonde weft here. What you wanna do is give it a little shake, and you're just gonna apply a thin layer to the weft. I like to squeeze a little bit on first and then spread it. It makes it a lot easier for me. So you're gonna keep spreading it across a simple thin layer. There we have it. So once you have this across, you can see it is not too thick, it's not too thin. You wanna make sure that you don't see any of the weft anymore. Cover it completely, but also don't do too much. Just do a simple good amount. So we're gonna sit here and just let it cool off a little bit. And then in a couple more seconds, we're gonna apply it to our wig cap in the same area we put the bonding glue. So where we put the liquid cap, so you guys can see how your hair is being protected. So here I'm gonna place it right on top of the liquid cap, the same place we put it. And you just wanna give it a little press just to make sure that it is secure and it is staying in that one area. Me personally, I like to just kind of hold it there. If I'm at home, for example, I might use a blow dryer and just give it a few, seconds on hot or cool just to give it a little extra push. But even without a blow dryer, you guys, this thing is so good, you don't even need it. We're just gonna wait a couple seconds to see how well it dries. Not only does this glue dry quickly, but it is also long lasting. This is a glue that will hold your style for up to 24 hours. You don't have to worry about it loosening, lifting, or failing, no matter what you're doing, okay? You could be at the club, you could be having a good time. You do not have to worry about your hair when you use this glue. And I know what some of you are thinking. Angel, what about the ingredients? Is it safe for my hair? Absolutely. This formula is enriched with aloe vera, biotin, and centella acetica. These ingredients can help soothe and protect your scalp while keeping your style intact. Also, I love that Red by Kiss offers this glue in multiple sizes. So no matter your needs, there's an option for you. We have the 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 4 ounce, and the larger 8 ounce bottles. So if you're just trying it out for the first time, you want to see if you like it or not before you make that full-time commitment, then grab the smaller size. But if you are a frequent user or a stylist, maybe you just know how to do your hair really well already, the larger bottle is definitely a great value. Now, let's see the glue in action again. We're gonna test it out to see if it completely dried this time. We're gonna give it a little tug. Amazing. Let me hold them in, you can tell a little bit. So there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching our live today. I hope you all enjoyed, and I hope you were able to learn a little bit more about our products. Don't forget to subscribe to stay updated and give this video a thumbs up. All right, until next time, bye.